In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to use Quick Share on POCO X8 Pro and Pro Max with AirDrop on iPhone. So the general idea to check if you can use the AirDrop or to check if Quick Share is compatible with AirDrop is to set the AirDrop setting from, we need to switch from contacts only to everyone for 10 minutes. Of course, Bluetooth must be enabled as well. And now what we have to do is we need to simply go to the Quick Share and we can try to send a file. So let's say I'm just gonna choose anything in here. There we go, just a random file in here. And then technically I should be able to find iPhone over here on the list of nearby devices on this section. But as you can see, it does not appear. So it seems that it is not possible to find it on POCO X8 Pro. At least right now it is not possible to do so, but I'm gonna also try to do that on the Pro Max model. So over here we have Pro Max, but I assume it's going to be exactly the same thing. So let's see if I can actually send anything. Let's say I'm just gonna choose whatever I have over here, and I can find my X Pro over here model. I'm gonna also double check if the AirDrop is set to everyone. Yes, it is, but as you can see, it does not appear on here as well. Of course, this can be updated in the future at some point, so maybe if you are watching this video much later in the future, there is a small chance that it is going to work with AirDrop, although of course I cannot be certain. So you might also think maybe you can use the QR code over here that we can generate in order to transfer files, but if I try to scan this QR code over here, let me actually try to do so with the iPhone. Let's see if I can actually do that. There we go. I open the browser and as you can see, can't receive files from this sender. So unfortunately, it doesn't work. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.